going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today we're back with the Domino's pizza car. And I know some of you are going to be really mad, but I decided I'm done. I'm selling it. So today I'm going to be your delivery driver. We even have our own Domino's pizza bag. We got our Avoid the Noid hat. We got our official Domino's shirt. And, you know, none of this would be complete if we did not have an official Domino's pizza car. Now, let me be very clear. When I say official, what I mean is this stuff was at one point in time officially owned and used by Domino's Pizza, be it a franchise or an employee or whatever. Okay, currently, none of this stuff has any connection or affiliation with Domino's Pizza whatsoever. All of this stuff I acquired from different places. The car I got from auction. The light, it's an LED light. It's got a magnetic charging cable, and it has an auto on and off feature. When it's nighttime, it turns on. When it's daylight, it turns off. Same thing with the bag. Got it from auction. The shirt and the hat. Oh yeah, got it from auction. Now here's the deal, guys. I am selling this car. Not only am I selling the car, I'm selling absolutely everything with it. All of it. Now I had plans for this car, and as you guys know, it did not work out. We are going to attempt to take the car on a quick drive, though I haven't driven this car. It's been probably 3 or 4 weeks since I've done anything with this car. So we're going to take it out and just see if it will even drive. It's already listed at Copart for sale, and I'm including everything. I'm including the hat, the shirt, the pizza bag, the Domino's light, yes, the charger. I'm including absolutely everything with this car. Currently, no check engine light. Radio works, air conditioning works, lights and signals work. If you're interested, you want to bid on this, it's at Copart right now, lot number 567-24964. You guys ready to see if it'll drive? Let's find out. Now, most of you probably have seen this car on my channel by now, and you know that it has been nothing but problematic for me. However, I'm not going to say it, but right now it's actually doing pretty dang good. Well, hold on, it's starting to surge. We'll see, guys. I don't know, man. I don't have a whole lot of faith in it. The reason I decided to sell it instead of fix it is because the transmission for this thing is ungodly expensive. I am tired of waiting and looking and searching. It's just not happening, guys. Best deal I've been able to find so far is about $1,800 for a used transmission. That was a used car, which meant that I had to pull the transmission out of it myself. I'm going to tell you right now, guys, I have no desire, no interest whatsoever to pay $1,800 and then have to do all the work on my own. No, thank you. I will pass on that. We're currently going about 60 miles an hour. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm shocked. I'm shocked that the car is not like vibrating and shaking us to death. I have never, since it left me stranded in Illinois, gotten it up to speed and tried driving it reliably any distance at all. I've been too afraid that it was going to leave me stranded. But at the risk of jinxing myself, it's actually doing really well right now. I'm tempted to try the full 10 miles. I am. I didn't bring a scan tool. I didn't bring anything with me at all to reset any of this stuff should something go wrong. But so far, it's actually doing really good. It's quiet. As small of a car as it is, it's actually pretty dang comfortable. The air conditioning is cold. FM radio works. I mean, what more do you want? There's your dims and your brights. And hell, we're going 65 now. I didn't even realize we'd gotten that fast. Are you serious? All right, little car. Go on with your bad self. Now all I want you guys to do is to tell me, how do I look in my Domino gear? Is this official enough? Should I start looking at maybe a new career I don't know, guys. You tell me. I kind of like the Polo pizza shirt, and I've always loved the Noid, man. I don't think they do the Noid anymore, but you'd have to be probably my age to remember Avoid the Noid. He used to cause all kinds of problems, wreak havoc on everything, man. As for the car, well, I'm gonna turn that light. Hell, I can't even see. What the? There we go. We're still cruising. We're still doing about 60. I don't know how far we've gone. I know I shouldn't take it on the full ride, but now the car has got me curious. Is it actually capable of doing highway speeds and making it any type of distance? I made sure to list this with a disclaimer that it had transmission problems, that the transmission did not shift normally. And I'm going to leave it that way. I don't care if... Look, we're literally still cruising over 60. It's doing fine. No check engine light, neither. Are you freaking kidding me? I've already put it up for sale. It's too late to change my mind. I decided to sell it because I wasn't going to risk driving it to town. I was going to go to Domino's Pizza with my camera, and I was going to be in uniform with the light in the car. I was going to roll up in the Domino's pizza car, and I was going to pick us up some pizza, man, throw it in the pizza bag, and then head back home and film everybody's reaction. That was the plan. Unfortunately, like I said, I chickened out, and at the end of the day, I don't care if the car makes it the full 10 miles or not. I'm going to tell you right now, I don't trust it. Okay. Hey. 104.1, sometimes it's a great channel to listen to, man. I'm gonna attempt now. I took some pictures. I got it uploaded on Copart's website and everything. I had to send some pictures to Monkey Wrench Mike because he ain't gonna believe it. Like, he's not gonna believe that this car is actually on the road and driving it. I don't believe it myself. I do not believe that we're able to get on the road and take off. Now, yes, the transmission still has a little bit of a jerk, a little bit of a shudder here and there, but it's not. You guys remember, this thing used to run you ragged, man. It would plop, pop, pop, pop. This thing was deadly. It's what it was. Now, it's so much smoother. I'm just not comfortable coming out and saying that it's okay. You know what I mean? I don't have enough faith in it to say, yeah, it's good to go. I mean, from what I can tell, look at it. You judge it for yourself. It's doing just fine and still no check engine light. This is actually a first since I bought the car. I've never experienced this. And now that I've got it, and I've got my little light, and I've got my uniform, I kind of want to go get a job at Domino's. You think I'm joking? I'm serious. I kind of want to go work at Domino's. I want to see if I can make any money delivery driving. I mean, I've got the right car. I've got my own sign. I don't need anything but a W-2 and a paycheck. You know what I mean? I am good. I got everything that I need to start working and making money. I don't know, man. How often is it you get to buy a pizza car? I know, I've heard it already many times. It's not a DXP car. It's missing the oven. I understand. I get it. Believe me, if I can ever get my hands on one with an oven, I will absolutely go for it, guys, all day, every day. But you take what you can get in life, man. Beggars can't be choosy. I've always wanted a pizza car. I got one. I got to enjoy it. I got hundreds of thousands of views from all of the YouTube videos on this car. It was great. This car performed perfectly. The YouTube algorithm seemed to love it. You guys seemed to love it. I enjoyed it, but as with everything, all good things must come to an end. It was a lot of fun, but I don't want to change the transmission in this, especially at the price that these transmissions are going for. $2,500, $3,000 for a transmission, or $2,000 for a car so that I can pull my own transmission and put it in. That's going to be a hard pass from me. All right, here we are coming into town, and I mean, she's just been cruising. She's just been cruising. Again, guys, I can't guarantee you that this car is going to be okay. I'm not in the business of lying to people to try to make a buck, all right? I'm very skeptical of this car, even though it made it 10 miles. I'm just as shocked as I'm sure most of you are. I gave up on it. I wrote it off. I'm done, man. So on to the next. 24.1 miles a gallon. Now, I never reset the fuel economy counter. So that includes all of the old bucking and surging and all of that horrible, horrible stuff that it was doing in the past. I'm going to park it right here, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything in the hatch, assuming it'll fit. And you'll notice it's not making that squealing noise. It's not it's not doing any of that, man. It's purring like, well, now I don't really want to get rid of it. You know what I mean? I got to, though, man. The Volvo is sitting there. It's ready to go. This car is ready to go. We got some nasty storms. They're talking tornadoes again. Man, it doesn't stop. Oklahoma's just been getting hammered lately. Oh, I've got it all. I've got it locked. You know what? I don't think this stuff is going to fit in the hatch. There is no room. Open, good God. This thing's been sitting out in the heat for so long. The doors were sticking shut. Ugh. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, that is... I would not want to put this on the roof of one of my regular cars. You know what I mean? I could not imagine. The light is in the car. I'm going to put the charger in the car. The shirt, the bag should already be over here. And I'm going to make sure that I inform my contact out at Copart to not remove any of this stuff from the car because it goes to the new owner. The hat will be included, the shirt, the bag, the light, the charger, the car, and hey, if the transmission is fine and it does you well and you get to own it and enjoy it, wonderful. I'm happy for you. I hope that you can get a hold of me. Send me an email. Send me some pictures. Send me a video, something. Let me know how the car is doing. If the trans blows up, I hope somebody out there finds it in their heart to fix the little thing and maybe make a video and send that to me. I'd love to share it with my audience. I would love for my audience to be able to follow wherever this car goes next. Hopefully it's on to bigger and better things and not to the crusher. It's got to buy it now. We'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens. With that, I think we're done. I'm out of here. So I think that's about it, guys. I do have it listed on Copart. I have the pizza car. That's Monkey Wrench Mike right there. I got the pizza car and the Volvo both listed. I'll put links to both of these below the video, but the 97 Volvo is lot number 567-24844, and the pizza car is 567-24964. I will put both of them in the description below. You just click the description box, it'll open up, and you can just click the link, and it'll take you to each one of them. Nothing else, you can at least put it on your watch list and keep your eyes on it. Maybe at some point I need to come back and do something with this Eldorado because this is the next one that I am sending down the road. I've had a lot of people asking, where's the Monte Carlo SS? It's in paint. It's been in paint for a while. It should be coming back very, very soon. So stay tuned for that because obviously it's time for Power Tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.